Now we are going to learn chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. So let's verify very first what is quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means a closed figure having a 4 sides is known as what? Quadrilaterals, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it is known as what? Quadrilateral. There are different types of quadrilateral. About it we will learn afterwards. Okay. Now see, then after what are the points already we are going to discuss over here. First, polygon. Now, do you know what do you mean of polygon? A closed figure. What? A closed figure which is made up of only line segment is called polygon. Closed figure but which is made up of what? Only line segment. So suppose maybe we have a one closed figure, so but it is not a polygon because why? Having no line segment. But suppose this figure, right, is a like rectangle, is a one type of what? Quadrilateral, is a triangle, 3 sides, so we can say what? Triangle. 5 sides, so pentagon. 6 sides, so hexagon, right? So it is called what? Polygon. Closed figure which is made up of only line segment is called polygon. So all of you understood about it? Sure, good. Now classification of polygon. There are 4 different types. First, maybe concave, convex, regular polygon. Fourth, irregular polygon. Now, what is concave? What is concave? A figure like such is called what? Concave polygon. See the meaning of cave. Just forget it for the little while. Con. Cave. What do you mean of cave? In, right? Inside. See the figure is already curved inside in such a manner. It's called what? Concave polygon. Maybe the figure like such is known as what? Concave polygon. In another word, we can say its diagonals is exterior. See, it's diagonal. Do you know what do you mean of diagonals? What do you mean of diagonal? A line segment. A line segment connecting to non-consecutive vertex. Do you know what do you mean of means of consecutive? Suppose the figure in it A, B, C, D, 4 different points. So line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CD, line segment DA, right? So point A and B are the consecutive continuously, right? But A and C cannot. So we can say suppose the line segment, see here, line segment connecting two non-consecutive. So it is known as what? Diagonals. Understood? So here, what do you mean of concave polygon? Its diagonal is what? Exterior. outside is known as what? Concave, right? Now next is convex. As it is another we can say for the concave is it's one angle having a measurement more than 180 degree. Got it? One angle having a measurement more than 180 degree. Next is concave, which is another concave. First convex, diagonals are exterior and number of the diagonals are depend on the what figure, right? As well as the measurement, one angle's measurement is more than 180. Now sorry, concave. Now convex, right? Now what do you mean of it? It's a definitely what opposed to it. So measurement is 100 less than 180 degree, as well as which is its diagonals are already inside, right? Diagonals inside the closed figure. Got it? Sure. Now third is regular polygon. Now what do you mean of regular polygon? Have equal side. All the sides of a regular polygon have equal lengths and equal angles. All the sides are equal. All the angles are equal. Got it? So is known as what? Regular polygon. And fourth, irregular polygon. Now what do you mean of it? So quadrilateral, a polygon which is not regular is known as what? Irregular. Means there all the sides maybe are different, like side, right? So is known as what? What type of polygon? Irregular polygon. Got it? So all of you understood about it? Sure. So what we have discussed over here about the concave polygon, then after convex, regular polygon and irregular polygon, right? Now then after angle sum property, which is the most important points. Angle sum property. Already we have learned about the triangles. Angle sum property of triangles, right? What is the measurement of it? 180 degree, right? So how many angles in it in triangle? 3 angles. How many angles? 3 angles. As it is here quadrilateral. So how many angles we have? 4 angles, right? And the sum of the measure of all angles of a quadrilateral is how many degree? 360 degree. Got it? So it is known as what? Angle sum property. Got it? The sum, angle sums, in it there are 3 angles. So sum of the 3 angles is how many degree? 180 degree. Here there are 4 angles. The sum of 4 angles is how many degree? 360. So suppose 180 divided by 3, as it is 360 divided by 4. So we get a measurement of one angle. Understood? Sure. Now then after, another is number of diagonals in a polygon. Number of diagonals in a polygon. Of n side. N side means we don't know the number of side is equal to n minus 3 upon 2. Here n is representing what? Number of sides, right? N is equal to number of sides. So by it we can find out the number of diagonals in the given figure. Got it? Now let's see, we discuss about the example number 1 of exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, example number 1. Here some figures are given. Total 8 figures are given. Classify each of them on the basis of the following. See first a simple curve. Right? Second, simple closed curve. Third, polygon. Fourth, convex polygon. Fifth, concave polygon.